We have chicken recipe for today. So I use half chicken. Here are the ingredients: half chicken, chopped shallots, chopped garlic, chopped ginger, and we have big slices of ginger and spring onion too. We also need to use some oil, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, seasonings, garlic salt, and white ground pepper. Let's start. Pour hot water onto the chicken, both sides. Now let's make the sauce. We have the chopped garlic, chopped ginger, chopped shallots, light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, ground white pepper, garlic salt, and seasoning powder, or that's optional, or anything you want to put. We also need to put some oil, 1 tablespoon. So mix it well, and after that, massage on the whole chicken, the whole half chicken. And let it stay for 1 hour or more. Of course, the longer the better. Wrap it and then stay for 1 hour or more. Then before cooking, you have to take out in the room temperature for at least 1 hour. So we have to pile up the ginger and spring onion. You can use clay pot or just deep wok. So on top is the half chicken, and put at least half bowl of water, and the sauce, the remaining, you have to put on top of the chicken. So that's it. So when it boils, you have to turn to the low heat and simmer for at least 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, you still have to stay on top of the stove. So this is now our yummy chicken, and cut it and serve hot. Thanks for watching. Bye.